Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the polarography. Polarography is a voltammetric technique in which the chemical species, ions or molecule undergo the oxidation, loss of electron or reduction gain electron at the surface of dropping mercury electrode, that is DME, at an applied potential. Polarography only applied to the DME. Second is the objective of the polarography. Polarography is an electroanalytical technique that measures the current flowing between two electrodes in the solution. In the presence of the gradually increasing applied voltage to determine the concentration of solute and its nature respectively. Principle: polarography is based on the principle that gradually increasing the voltage is applied between two electrodes, one of which is the polarizable dropping mercury electrode and other is the non-polarizable, that is the current flowing between the two electrodes is recorded. A sigmoid shape current voltage curve is obtained from which half wave potential as well as the diffusion current is calculated. Diffusion current is used for the determination of the concentration of substance and half wave potential is characteristic of the every element. In today's class, I discuss about the principle and objective of the polarography. Thank you.